Hello and welcome. I'm Art, and today I'll be drawing the Namekian known as Piccolo, as he is about to unleash the light grenade attack. And Piccolo did this particular attack against Imperfect Cell when he was attempting to stop him from getting to Android 17. When choosing the pose that I wanted to draw for Piccolo, it kind of came down between two different ones. One was this, as he's about to perform the light grenade attack, and the other was his most iconic move, his special beam cannon. But in debating between which one I should do over the other, I kind of prefer this one because I like the overall look of this particular attack more. Mainly due to the fact that in the special beam cannon, he kind of covers his face with two of his fingers. And one thing that I did want to emphasize in this drawing was a key blast or key energy ball. And by doing the special beam cannon, the lighting effects would kind of cover too much of his face. And that is one thing that I did not want to do. And a little fun fact in regards to Namekians is that in the manga, all Namekians have 4 fingers per hand. Whereas in the anime and video games, all Namekians have 5 fingers per hand. So that's an easy way to know whether or not a person was inspired to draw a Namekian from the manga or the anime. And this version of Piccolo comes from the anime. And right here I'm using the smoke brush, and I just apply a radial blur to get the effect that I want. And here I'm using the smoke brush yet again to create the aurora of Piccolo. And the tip to create movement is draw these tiny lines and simply apply a radial blur. And here I'm using the smoke brush again with the smudge tool and just warping it to how I want it to look and applying a radial blur. And here I'm just adding some random rocks, adding the highlights and shadows to create that sense of depth to this drawing. I wasn't actually liking the way the background was looking overall with this drawing, so I decided to change it from a generic blue background to more so dust, clouds, and debris. I felt it better added emphasis to Piccolo as he's about to perform this light grenade, and overall I feel like it just fits a whole lot better because it adds more darkness to the background, which adds an emphasis to him. Adding the final little touches, and here is the final completed piece of Piccolo as he's about to perform the light grenade attack. And if you like this drawing, why don't you give it a thumbs up? If you're new here, thank you for watching, and why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss any new drawing that I put out. And until the next drawing, guys, goodbye.